Fundrise investment platform review. Watch before using. Most people get real estate investing wrong. They assume you need thousands or even millions to start. The surprising truth about Fundrise is that it allows everyday investors to access commercial and residential real estate with low minimums, and you won't believe how much diversification it can provide to your portfolio. Here's how it works. Fundrise pools investor money to fund real estate projects, offering E-rate and E-funds with varying risk and return profiles. Investors receive dividends from rental income and potential appreciation over time. For example, with as little as $500, a new investor can participate in diversified real estate projects across multiple cities, spreading risk while earning passive income. Most people get this wrong. They assume real estate requires active management, but Fundrise handles property management, letting you invest passively. Additional features include an intuitive dashboard, projected returns, automatic reinvestment options, and transparency reports. Users praise accessibility, ease of use, and potential for long-term growth. However, there are considerations. Investments are liquid, meaning your money is tied up for several years, and returns can fluctuate depending on market conditions. Most people assume short-term gains. Real estate investing is best approached as a long-term strategy. In conclusion, Fundrise is ideal for investors seeking low-barrier access to real estate, diversification, and passive income potential. It's a practical way to grow wealth without directly managing properties. Subscribe for more honest reviews of investment platforms and financial tools.